Hello guys and welcome back. Today I'll show you how to download AutoClicker on Android. MacroDroid is an automation app that uses macro to perform tasks on your Android device, minimizing manual efforts with its user-friendly interface and wide variety of pre-configured actions. It helps automate routine tasks. You can use it for battery management, data connectivity, and custom sound profiles. To download it, just head to the Google Play Store and search for MacroDroid Device Automation. Once you find the application, just hit install. Wait for it to finish, then launch the app and choose the AutoClicker from the available services the app provides. And now you can use the AutoClicker for your needs. Thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.